Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to use the blend tool to make this really cool 3D shape. First, select your pencil tool from your toolbar. You can also press the shortcut key, which is the letter N key. Then draw your shape. So mine was set to fill. If yours is to, then just make sure you switch it to stroke so that you have a line. Then grab your ellipse tool. The shortcut for that is L, and then fill that with a gradient color. Create a duplicate of that circle. Then select both of those circles and go to the very top, and underneath Object, that drop down menu, select Blend and Make. Then double click the Blend tool and change the spacing to specified steps and increase the number. I increased it to 800 on mine. That might work for you, but you also might have to make it higher or lower depending on how you've drawn your line. So now both of your circles will have turned into a line. So select that and also the line that you've drawn, and then go back to the top window and go to the Object drop-down menu and go to Blend and then click Replace Spine. Then select your rectangle tool. The shortcut for that is M. Create it to be the same size as your artboard and then send it to the back. Use the Align tools to align it vertically and horizontally. If you can't find the Align option, go to Window, and in the drop-down menu you'll see Align, and then the options will pop up once you've clicked that. Then create a second rectangle again with the same measurements to your artboard and then align it again as well. Make sure it's on the top layer this time, and then select everything, right click and select Make Clipping Mask.